Installing your door barrel. It'll come in a little box like this with a set of keys. The keys for each door are different. If you like to have your doors keyed alike, let us know and we can send you rekeyable locks, and they can be rekeyed at your local locksmith. Now sometimes when folks are playing with it when it comes out of the box, they end up getting this little black tab stuck in this upper position here. Very simply, with a paper clip, there's a little hole here on the knob side, and you just stick it in and you gently pull down and you reset the tab. Now I'll show you how the barrel slides in. Here I have a sample door sash. You slide the barrel in, and then you use the screw provided to tighten the barrel to the sash. The trim goes on, and then you're all done.